So today I've got 5 React projects that I'll show you. I made these a couple months ago when I was beginning React, and the first one I've got here is a typing test. And so if I were to select one of these buttons, I could just paste in this phrase. Normally you would type it out, but yeah, it says, I'll say nice run, show you the time in milliseconds. This is just kind of a quick project. I could have made this a bit more user-friendly by showing the seconds rather than milliseconds, so converting the milliseconds into seconds. And then this part I didn't really finish, so you create a snippet and then you could just select it, and then you could actually have a bunch of saved snippets to use and just practice your typing like that. But yeah, there's a simple typing test you can use to just make as a React project to learn and get better. Second one I've got is a simple to-do list, and so you could just type a couple I guess things to do. So I guess it's a common one, groceries, and then yeah, you can just complete it, so it crosses out and if you complete it, or you could just delete it like that as well. So let's see, bananas, milk, etc. So you get the point, but yeah, it's a pretty cool one. I like this one a lot. It was one of the first ones I did. So yeah, on to the next one though. You could obviously make this a lot better, but yeah, so the next one is a book app. So this one looks a bit cleaner, as you can tell. So you can just type in, I don't know, let's try this phrase. We just do 80, and I'll just show, like, it'll have the title, and then I'll kind of show the author right here. I was gonna add images to the right, but that kind of would include some back-end database stuff, so I just wanted to keep it purely front-end. But yeah, that's just one simple one you can make, and these are just front-end, so you could just refresh it and then start again if you want to reset it. But yeah, that's my third one I made when I used Materialize as the CSS library or framework, so it made it look a lot cleaner, as you can see here. So yeah, and the fourth one I made pretty close to this one, but it was a little bit different. So I just wanted to actually make a project that would show all my repos, and then like what language it was built in, and then show the description for each one. So for example, the chat room one, it has the description for my GitHub. So if I go to my GitHub right here, I go to chat room, should be down here somewhere. Yeah, Python. So it uses the GitHub API is what it's doing. So it just, by using React and using using a map function, I can map all the repositories I have, and it'll show what app is built in which language. And so this was a really fun one. I liked figuring this one out. Yeah, it kind of shows, it goes kind of from, like, let's see, I think I'm not too sure about the order, but yeah, that's a really fun one. So this one uses the API, so I can show you the code for that one. Let's see, React. Can't seem to find it right now. Oh, here we go. So yeah, if you just want to quickly look at the code for like the React one, it was pretty fun to make. It was just all one page, so it is not a lot of code either, but yeah, you just use the map function and it kind of just does a lot of the work for you, which is the beauty of React. Kind of just makes it coding stuff like that, and just doing a lot of things like a lot easier, and just take up less there's a lot less coding involved. So it's a really neat trick you can do with using a map function. So going on to the final one that took me a while was the recipe app this one took some time. I had to look up a couple tutorials when I got stuck, but I did manage to finish it. This one is actually, you would think this is front end. Well, actually, it is basically front end, but basically it's like the GitHub one, except it uses a API from Edamem. So that's a, I guess, food or recipe API, and it just displays all the food I've got here. So it's got a search bar too, so you can kind of type out banana, and it'll search up all the banana recipes. And then, yeah, these are the calories. I probably should have specified that, but I could edit that later. But yeah, it has calories for each meal, how the like all the ingredients, the titles, and so yeah, those are just 5 very beginner friendly apps. These are also mobile friendly too. Mostly mobile friendly, but yeah, I mean it's a fun project, and yeah, I recommend anyone who's trying to learn React out there. Just practice with some APIs. Once you get comfortable, obviously, but yeah, once you're comfortable and make a to-do list or a couple websites, you could probably move on to using APIs and maybe make a full stack React app with maybe Mongo, MySQL, or any number of other databases. So yeah, these are just 5 beginner-friendly ones. So if you want to see more, or I guess my GitHub is github.com/AintOliver. So you can look at all my repositories there if you want. But yeah, I think that'll be it, and I'll see you guys later.